a great product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a light bar and I received it for the evaluation purposes, and this is my personal opinion. This light bar is very nicely designed. It features 12 LEDs that provide you with very bright and cool lighting effect. It comes with the bracket that serves you as a stand, or you can mount on a wall or ceiling. The angle is also adjustable, so you can direct light anywhere you want to. There are different control modes you can use, including DMX, auto mode, and sound mode. There is control panel at the back, and you can use very convenient remote control. So you can adjust the brightness, you can change different lighting effects like strobe, fade. It also has a sound mode, so it syncs it to the beats of the music, which is really cool. This light is a great choice, quality is wonderful, it's durable and sturdy, and it's very simple to use. It's definitely going to be a great addition to any party or celebration, including weddings, birthdays, Christmas parties. It can be used in the bar or club, at your home, or anywhere else you will find it useful for. I like this product very much and I would highly recommend it to you.